Good morning children, welcome to English class. In your Sparrow semester book Sem 1 for LKG class, open the page number 7. Already we are finished. Page number 3 to 6, capital A, B, C, D and small letters A, B, C, D. Now let's begin. Capital letter E and small letter E. E says yeah. E says yeah. E for egg. E for eye. E for eagle. Okay. E for elephant. Once again children, read with me. E for egg. E double G E G G egg. E for eye. E Y E eye. E for eagle. E A G L E eagle. E for elephant. E L E P H A N T elephant. Now here is the word given. Children, circle all the E, capital E's and small E's. Very easy children. Circle all the capital E's. Okay. Now let's begin. Where is the capital E? E N D and. Here is a capital E. Circle it. Okay. Again A X E. A X E. X. Here is a capital E. Circle on it. K E Y. Key. K E Y. Key. Here is a capital E. Circle on it. Okay. Next. This one is finished children. Circle all the small E's. Okay. This one is a small E. Here also given. Circle all the small E's. Okay. Identify the small E and circle on it. M E T mat. M E T mat. Here is the small E. Circle on it. E A T eat. E A T eat. Okay. Circle on it. T E N ten. T E N ten. This is the small E. Circle it. Okay. Now let's begin. Write the capital letter E. Write the capital letter E. Here is the lines given children. Red line, blue line and red line. Okay, capital E is start from red line to blue line. First you have to start standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. E, capital E, standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Capital E, standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Capital E. E says yeah. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. E, capital E, standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Capital E. E says yeah. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Red line to 3. Use the 3 lines. Red line, blue line and blue line. E says yeah. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. E, capital E. E says yeah. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Capital E. Okay, this one is finished children. Okay, here is A to Z. Capital letters is given. Okay, read with me children. Capital A, B, C, D, E. This is one letter we have to start today. F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are our capital letters A to Z. Okay children, read and write. Okay. Now write the small letter E. Write the small letter E. Okay children, here also line given. Red line, blue line and blue line. Small E is right from blue line. Small E, curve. Okay, use only blue line. Middle lines, blue line. This is the C. You have to practice already C. You have to write like that. Small e. Okay. Cur and cur. Small e. Small e. E says yeah. E says yeah. Small e. Cur. Small e. Cur. Okay. This letter like small c. Okay. Cur, and this is the small e. Okay. Here also small letters given A to Z. Read and write, children, with me. Small a, small b, small c, small d, small e, small f, small g, small h, I, j, k, l, m, n, o, p, q, r, s, t, u, v, w, x, y, z. Okay. Next, turn the page, children. Page number 8. Page number 8 is what given, children, here? Capital F and small f. F says f. F says f. F for fruits. F for fan. F for frog. F for fish. Okay. Again, children. F. This is the capital F. This is the small f. F says f. This is also using 3 line, red line, blue line and blue line. This is also small f using 3 lines, red line, blue line and blue line. Okay. F for fruits. F-R-U-I-T-S. Fruits. F for fan. F-A-N fan. F for frog. F-R-O-G frog. F for F-I-S-H fish. Okay. F-I-S-H fish. Now here is a work given. Circle all the capital F's and small F's. Circle all the capital S. Okay. These are capital letters. Okay. First you have to underline. These are capital letters. F-L-A-G flag. F-L-A-G flag. This is the F. Capital F. Circle on it. Okay. F-A-N fan. This is the F. Circle on it. Okay. This is F. Now you have to match and identify the F and circle on it. This is F-L-Y fly. This is the capital F. Circle it. Okay. Now circle all the F. Capital S is finished. Now circle all the small F's. Okay. These are small letters. How to start? F-I-G-P. This is the small f. Circle it. F-O-X fox. This is the small f. Circle on it. H-A-L-F half. H-A-L-F half. This is the small f. Circle on it. Okay. Next, write the capital letter F. Write the capital letter F. Red line, blue line, blue line. Here is used to red line to blue line, capital F. Standing line, same like E. Only here is a 2 line, slipping line, only 2 slipping lines. This is called capital F. F says fur. Standing line, slipping line, F. Standing line, slipping line, capital F. F says fur. Slipping line, F. Standing line, slipping line, capital F. F says fur. Standing line, slipping line, F. Standing line, slipping line, F. F says fur. Standing line, slipping line, capital F. F says fur. Okay, children. Here also given A to Z capital letters. You have to A to Z capital letters. You have to already practice in LKG class. Read and write, children. Okay, next write the small letter F. Write the small letter F. Here also line given, children. Red line, blue line. Here a small f also coming on the red line to blue line. Okay. This is the small curve and standing line. and sleeping line. Small f like a little bit s. Okay. Small f. F says first. Small f. Little bit curve and standing line and curve and sleeping line. F says for curve.